of Kings. You are Jehovah, the Lord of Lords. You are Jehova DabulaMazulu. You are Jehovah.
Asomunye angazi kanjani bekani igama lasephehlweni angudabula amanzi manje makathanda uthi uJehova ngidabula amazulu.
So Sumizi's baby mama Palesa Madisakwane, who recently burned her traditional clothing or amabai, publicly turned to Christianity, is now receiving a lot of backlashes there on TikTok after her most recent prayer that she posted. And now people are convinced that she was talking to ancestors instead of God. In the video, she is heard praying and referring to God as Jehova DabulaMazulu, and people are busy there dragging her as they are convinced that the name is that of a sangoma or an ancestor or bugogo. They came for her saying that she is confusing the two. She's confusing Christianity with idlozi, you guys, and that in her head, spiritually, she is still idlozini. People are saying that idlozi has exposed her for wanting to run away from them, and that this is only the beginning for her to be exposed, and that there is still more coming, you guys. Anyways, what do you think about this whole Jehova DabulaMazulu situation? Is it a name lase ephehlweni, or can she refer to God as that? What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video.
Mazulu. He's not Jehova DabulaMazulu or whatever you said. Someone in the comment section said, so pambanisa unkulunkulu no gobela wakho. Atu gobela waku DabulaMazulu or DabulaManzi. Manje, you don't know the difference. So the wise thing would be, osindisiwe njengawe, just born again. Agijimela pulpit, agijimela ukuzoshumayeza. Awulazizwa akalifundi. That's why he's saying it's Jehova DabulaMazulu. You don't know who God is yet, right? You know what he did for you on the cross. Now, for you to know God, is gonna need you to go into the secret place and seek him. Right now, it looks like you're seeking attention, you're seeking clout, you're seeking affirmation, you're seeking opportunities, you're seeking speaking engagements. But you're becoming a danger to your own self, because in the Bible says, work out your salvation with fear and trembling.
DabulaMazulu, that's an ancestral name. Ayintanywane crawled so Palesa can run. She remembered ephehlweni with a DabulaMazulu. I know a gogo whose name is DabulaMazulu. DabulaMazulu is given to Koza Gogo. DabulaMazulu. Why would God dabula his own kingdom? DabulaMazulu kuvuka manguni khona lapho. So DabulaMazulu decided to feature in this prayer. It's giving ayintanywane. It's giving I am desperate. That's why this heat wave, Dabula what? She is the cause of this weather. Well, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so.